Hi friends, welcome to SB Prediction UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction Saturday 30 November 2024. Today UK 49's lunchtime prediction number today number 3, number 19, number 26, number 38, number 42, booster number 11. Today UK 49 lunchtime prediction complete. Join YouTube channel membership 99% accurate prediction member only. Join YouTube channel membership now. Join only level 3 UK 49 3 hot number 99% accurate prediction hot number. Join only level 3 UK 49 3 hot number. Join now. Today tea time UK 49's lunchtime number. Tea time prediction number 7, number 15, number 22, number 30, number 49, booster number 8. Today UK 49's tea time prediction complete. Like, share, comment and subscribe this YouTube channel now.